here. Someone has new haircut. Yeah.
We did it at home.
Yeah, I did it yesterday because now we are shifting to a new place, and from there the school will be like 15-20 minutes walk-in. So it is better to like not make the hair. And today's our anniversary, 10th anniversary. So right now we don't have any plans because it's Monday already, and might be evening we will be having some plans. We'll cut the cake and we'll prepare something at home only. We are shifting within 2-3 days. Today's 26th, so we are shifting on 29th, so we are very much like on the border right now. And so that's pretty much it, and I'll keep you guys updated. ईरा के भी करवाए थे ना, मतलब वो जब 6-7 महीने की थी शायद, तब उसकी टकली कर दी थी हमने वापस, मतलब तो उसके बर्थडे के दिन वो फ्रॉक पे बहुत छोटी छोटी बनी थी, बहुत छोटी नहीं
बनी थी, छोटी कहाँ बनी?
हाँ, इसके नहीं कटाया ना अभी. These are instant pizzas. I have put all the toppings and these are ready to go in the oven. And what Rudu is doing? Rudra.
He's eating gravy. Pizza gravy.
Pizza gravy.
He's eating pizza gravy.
Which pizza you are having, Rudu, today? Paneer makhni. Paneer makhni pizza. Yum yum. Oops. ओहो, तीखा भी लग रहा है उसको. हाँ, उसको पसंद है पनीर. What Ira is doing? Ira, what you are doing? You are exploring your new book?
Yeah.
Have you started coloring?
Yeah.
Which one you colored?
I started doing some activities.
Which one you did?
Like the car.
Okay.
Matching activity. This one.
Okay. Okay.
The moment that you smile, you just brightened up my life. Every heartbeat, every rhyme falls in love with you each time. No more shadows, no more rain. You're the sunshine in my veins. Take my hand, don't let it go. I just need you now. I know you're my one and only. My heart beats for you only. Every second, every night. You're the reason
Hello guys, so today is 28th and we are moving tomorrow. तो निखिल एंड मैं आज पूरा दिन बस यही काम कर रहे थे. हम सारी पैकिंग हमने की, सारे जितने भी रिक्वायर्ड बॉक्सेस थे सब पैक हो चुके हैं. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द प्रोग्रेस. सो दीज ऑल आर द स्मॉल बैग्स एंड cartons, everything, like all the mess right here, and this we have removed Ira's bed also. Today she will sleep with us. So now this is the condition. Entire room is empty and few clothes are there for laundry which we will put right now. And इसमें टीवी आएगा. टीवी कल हटेगा क्योंकि बच्चे वो देख रहे हैं. एंड ये कबर्ड सारा खाली हो चुका है. हमारे बस कल के कपड़े बचे हैं. और दिस इज एम्प्टी. लेट मी शो यू. Just these boxes will go like this only, and this is the everything will go like that. And one pair of shoes, that's it. And here everything is all packed. And hi Ira, what thing you will miss the most
My friends and Orange Park.
about this home?
Rishi.
And what else?
The memories we made.
Which memory we made? The favorite one? Which one? Which you like the most? Rudra? Rudra came in this house. And he is here, right here. Just look. Now he is crawling with his leg, with his fractured leg, maybe because he is okay now. And weather इतना गंदा हुआ है, like बारिश हो रही है literally. Just have a look. और हमको डर है कि कल भी पता नहीं इसी तरह का मौसम रहेगा. वेदर फोरकास्ट तो यही कह रहा है कि कल भी बारिश होगी. बट लेट्स सी, विल मूव एनीवे. बालकनी यहाँ कुछ पोट्स वगैरह रखे हुए हैं, गमले वगैरह, जैसे कैसे जाने. ये मैट मैंने आज वॉश कर दी. And this is the condition of kitchen right now. Like everything we have packed yesterday only. So just very minimal things are there. Like all emptied. Just the utensils and few more utensils here. And obviously the crockery and all is there. So that is there to pack. And I am preparing dinner now. So it's a mixed veg. I have sauteed the vegetables. Now I'll make the puree and prepare the gravy. मैं एक काम करती हूँ, खाना बनाते बनाते आपसे बात करती हूँ. एक्चुअली हमने किया क्या था, हमने कुछ भी बाद के लिए नहीं छोड़ा था. लाइक वी वर वेरी मच ओके विद द फैक्ट लाइक विथ थिंग्स विच वी आर नॉट यूजिंग वी कैन पैक एनी हाउ, बिकॉज एट द एंड मोमेंट इट इज़ नॉट ईजी. एंड टुडे वी नो आफ्टर पैकिंग एवरीथिंग we are still like how much stuff is there still to pack. So never, like, this is a tip I would say, like never keep the things for the end moment, because otherwise it will be very difficult, especially if you have kids at home. So just that's a good thing we did. And अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, अभी कल को हमको मॉर्निंग में पिक करने जाना है कीज़. So this is the veggies which I have sauteed, and now I'll make a gravy. So let's put some oil.
The paneer and veggie sabji is for tomorrow, because today is our last day.
Today is the last day, and tomorrow we won't get time. After dropping Ira to the school, we will be going to the building to pick our home keys. So होम कीज़ पिक करेंगे, देन वहाँ पे क्लीनिंग करेंगे, थोड़ी सी बेसिक क्लीनिंग. वैसे तो क्लीनिंग ही है हाउस. एंड आफ्टर क्लीनिंग थोड़ी सी पूजा वूजा करके वहाँ पे फिर हम इधर आके सारा इधर से जो भी शिफ्टिंग है, निखिल बार बार जो भी जाएंगे उनके साथ. सो निखिल विल मैनेज आफ्टर दैट. So what I am doing, I am preparing the sabzi and chapatis right now. So we are sorted for the morning. And कल evening का नेहा ने बोला है कि that she will prepare the dinner for us. So we are sorted for tomorrow at least. And फिर परसों से तो सब मैनेज हो ही जाएगा anyhow.
And that's why we cut my hair, because school is gonna be far.
School is gonna to be far, but just for 1 month, just for a month.
Then I have to move to the new school.
Yeah, from September you have to move to the new school, because it is difficult from there to come every day. And in the winters, just remember, in the winters, what will happen?
Oh yeah, there was so much snow in the winter.
You can't even walk in the snow. That much snow is there. So, yeah, that's the plan, and we are excited. And अभी निखिल को बुलाऊंगी मैं एक्चुअली. वो भी परसों बोल रहे थे कि एक्चुअली रुद्र आया था इस घर में. सो वी हैव मेमोरीज, बट एनीवेज वी हैव टू लीव समथिंग टू गेट समथिंग न्यू. सो दैट्स व्हाट लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट. Yeah, new home. We are home. Wow. जय माता दी. चलो. Are you gonna miss this house?
Yep.
We
So much.
Everything went and this is what we are left with. So now we are going to the new house. So today we will sleep there. Bye bye.